Hi, my name is Dr. Laura Pate, and I'm a chiropractic physician at Absolute Healthcare Advanced Chiropractic in Port St. Lucie, Florida. I've been bringing you demonstration videos for stretching and some strength, and today we're going to be doing a foam rolling video for the hamstrings. The hamstrings are a group of muscles on the back of the upper portion of your leg or your thigh and get very, very tight, which can certainly influence the low back function and lead to a lot of pain if they are very tight. I do have some assistants with me. This is my dog Kona, and my black cat Luna may or may not be wandering around. So you do need a foam roller. It doesn't matter if it's this half length or the full length. You just want to make sure it's hard styrofoam. I'm using a yoga mat on the floor. You want to make sure you are very stable. Now with the hamstrings, this can be not the most graceful exercise, so you definitely want to be careful. Make sure you can either hold onto the ground or a piece of furniture. I'm going to turn to my side and start with my right leg. And I'm going to put the foam roller, so the hamstrings are this group of muscle again on the back of your thigh, towards the top near my bottom. Now my left foot is anchored on the ground, and I'm also going to be supporting my body weight in addition to my left foot on my hands. So I'm going to push up, and I'm just going to start rolling out the hamstring by moving with my arms. I'm just going to slide this down a little bit. Now, as with all foam rolling, I definitely recommend doing in one plane for a few seconds, and then also moving internally to get more of the medial or inner aspect of your hamstrings. And then you can turn your foot towards the outside, getting that lateral aspect and even incorporating some of that IT band. So if you feel like you need to move it, you can just put your bottom down and move the foam roller, lift back up to continue. Again, if you find a place that's particularly tight, you can sit there for a little bit, moving your leg internally and externally rotating at the hip, just to work that a little bit more, or maybe even some smaller movements. When you're ready, I definitely would recommend doing this for a couple minutes if you can tolerate it. And you want to switch legs. This time I'm going to bend my right knee, straighten my left leg, put the foam roller near the top. Using my hands, I'm pushing myself up, and I'm just using the roller and rolling out that muscle. It is that good pain where it feels really good. It will feel tremendous afterwards. So again, I would recommend rolling out the entire length of the muscle, straight down the middle, internally rotating to get the inside. Hopefully your cat's not there trying to play with your foot. Rotating externally to get the lateral aspect until you feel loose. Thank you for watching. If you like the videos, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.